What's up, guys? For today's video we're going to be taking a look at the all-new 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 LTZ. So the 2500 comes available with two engines, the Vortec 6.0 liter V8 that makes 360 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque, and this Duramax 6.6 liter turbo diesel V8 that makes 444 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque. So on the driver door, you have the window control. All four windows are fully automatic. Right behind it, you have the children lock and window lock. You also have lock and unlock, memory controls, and soft closing mirrors. Right above it, you have two memory seats with the door handle. And on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have the trailer brake, four-wheel drive control, and the light control with the fog lights. And on the steering wheel, you have four spoke leather wrapped steering wheel. On the left hand side you have your cruise controls with the heated steering wheel. On the right hand side you have your controls for the screen and voice commands.
Say a command or say help.
Help.
You can say phone, audio, navigation, weather, or OnStar. To call a number quicker, speech session ended. Goodbye.
And on the left hand side steering wheel you have the wiper control. And on the right hand side you have your 6-speed automatic transmission with tow mode, manual mode, and backup camera. And on the screen you have your speed with speed limit. You have trip A, B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, fuel economy, timer, speed limit, fuel filter, engine life, transmission fluid, trailer brake, off-road, and diesel exhaust. You also have audio, phone, navigation. In options you have your information page, different units, speed warning, and source. Right along the center console you have the 8-inch color screen. Right below you have the radio controls, climate controls with heated seats. You also have the paddle control, traction control, cargo light, parking sensor, and exhaust brake. And right down here you have a small storage. You also have a 12-volt power outlet and a regular outlet. And in the center you have 3 cup holders, 3 storages, and a storage. You also have 2 more USBs, auxiliary cord, and a 12-volt power outlet, and a divider. And on the screen you have your audio with Sirius XM. You have phone, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, settings, weather, text, OnStar, traffic, and shop. And on the window sticker, this truck comes standard with 6.0 liter V8. So the standard vehicle price is $52,025. They added the Duramax Plus package. The 6-inch chrome assist steps and the chrome trailing mirrors, which all comes up to $64,695. Here's the 5-star safety ratings.